When creating comments within a document, you can add an attachment to the comment thread or even mark up an image of the design. These tools allow collaborators to communicate on the design intent of any project within an Onshape document. Let's look at how to use the markup tools and insert attachments to comments inside an Onshape document. Create a new comment within a document using the comment icon located in the document panel. When creating the comment, you can choose to create a markup or insert an image. Let's cover how to mark up an image first. Markup is available in Part Studios, Assemblies, and Drawings. Simply go to the view you want to mark up and create a new comment. Click the markup icon, and Onshape snaps the current view and opens it in the editor. Now, you can create shapes, text, or arrows to the snapshot. You can change the colors and line weights of these markup elements. When using the Shape tool, use the Shift key to preserve an equal aspect ratio. Use the Control key to place the shape based on the center point and not the corner or edge. Once finished, accept the new markup and it adds into the comment as an image. Accept the comment and the comment appears with the new markup image in the comment thread. Clicking the image opens the image full screen. Right-click on the image to copy or save it for later use. To insert an image, create a new comment and select the Browse for Attachment icon. Search for the saved image within your files to attach to the comment. Now the image is attached to the beginning of this comment thread. Accept the comment and now the image is inserted as an attachment. One thing to note is both marked up images and inserted attachments can only be created by creating a new comment. They cannot be inserted as a reply to a comment. Users must have the comment permission to be able to communicate this way. Both markup and browsing for attachments are powerful tools to help communicate design changes within a document.